Hey guys, I'm playing with this setup. It doesn't really matter the exact circuit, um, but what I want to talk about is what I think is a problem in having a um, basic setup, basic devices on the workbench. So uh, what I'm having here is the amp, the audio amplifier, using just one channel. The other channel I have it. I have a resistor here, um, and I'm powering the primary coil here, and the unpartnered output coils in um, with diodes. Um, a basic setup to ensure the two currents are opposing. But what I'm seeing here um, is a problem on my scope. Uh, Look at those traces. First of all, this is the power, uh, the input power. So we can see there is a bit of power going in. So if my math is correct, about 9 watts or something, doesn't matter. Um, okay, and look at these traces. So what I see here is a lot of noise, and I can't figure out how to solve this problem. Um, I try to plot average current, RMS current, and other stuff. Also with the measure all feature, this one, um, and I'm having trouble, of course, because of this noise. I can't really measure anything, and I can't see where the device behaves better. Um, and I'm thinking that the cause of the problem should be that my scope here is powered from directly from mains, and I'm thinking to buy an isolation transformer. um, Maybe I can get rid of this noise. Let me know your thoughts. Also, the input frequency is low, very low, so this is not a frequency where we should be seeing that kind of noise over this type of current sensing resistors, which are, we know that are the best of the best, probably. um, okay, another problem I've seen is I have on the input side, I have these resistors, still good ones, not the same as this one, but good ones. Um, and if I connect a scope probe in here, the power amplifier, I think, goes into protection mode because it shuts down completely. So, but I don't have an explanation for it, because the power supply that's powering the amplifier is floating. You can see I disconnected the neutral. Uh, so everything we see here is floating. So it shouldn't be making a short circuit with the ground clip of the scope probe. Another problem to think about, and I would be glad to hear your opinions. Otherwise, the power amplifier is very good. I'm happy with it, and I'm I changed these terminal blocks to bigger ones because I had trouble connecting these wires, and um, also these terminal blocks, I changed them. And I also, as you can see, I did some changes in here because I didn't have the space anymore to work, and I'm happy with this setup for now. Thank you. Bye.